Hello, in this video, we'll learn how to merge three cells into one in Excel. We'll use a simple trick to combine the contents of three cells into a single cell, and apply this to the whole table. Let's get started. Normally, to merge these three cells, some people do this. They go to the next cell and manually type the contents of the three cells into that one. But when you have a long table, this method becomes very tiring and time-consuming. So, here's a better trick. First, type the combined contents of the three cells manually into just the first cell. Then, go to the next cell. Now, press Ctrl E on your keyboard. That's it. The rest will be done automatically.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.